yeah. Hey guys. We're gonna be playing this game. Hold up, let me just hold up. Okay, anyways, hello guys. Today we're gonna be playing I think you already know this game before though. So I guess I don't have to tell you, but I'm gonna show you a gameplay. And also just pretend in the beginning you didn't see my face. I actually turned it on. So yeah. Okay. I can be helpful sometimes, and that person just died. Okay, another one died. Hold up. No, the bacon collected it. It's fine. Yeah, guys, I also have to tell you that I still have a little bit of coughing. Oh, good job. So, okay, I guess I can do this. So right now, guys, I can do a little bit of boosting. So with this, I really I can't get that. Oh wait, I can't. Anyways, I just need. Oh gosh! Oh my 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 gosh! I'm gonna die. No, I don't wanna die. 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 I can just jump. Do a jump. Can jump now. Okay. Anyways. Yes. This is my favorite game. I can spread green around. Just because I have the magic carpet, I can do whatever I want. Sorry. So, imagine you have this, and then this game pops up on you, and then you would be like cheating like me. Imagine you actually have this. This place is full of everything. Oh my gosh, someone has magic carpet also. I'm gonna win this. Oh gosh, there's so many red around here. Hold up, I have to win it. Man, I wish there was teams, but actually I will. No, I don't want. I'm just kidding, I'll go in the middle. I'm going there. I will just go here. Mine. I have a feeling somewhere up here. So I guess I will just be needing something to help me to get up there. Okay, I'll just use this. And then there we go. Now I can mine up here. It's somewhere up here. I can tell it's somewhere. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. That's why I hate that part. Oh no, not this one. Why is it so dark? Why is it so dark? Can someone help me? Okay, might as well wanna put that away. And there. Hold up. Someone needs to put up the fire here. Someone's missing this. Oh no, I fell. No. No, are you kidding? No, one is burning. on, let's go. Oh gosh, I hate this one. I hate this one. I don't like it. Okay, I can probably do this. So, I think it's okay. There you go, I found it. I do want to do that again. It's just right here. It's just right here. It's just right there. I literally already found it. And the others cannot still find it. Are they blind or something? I'm so sorry if I'm calling you blind. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to. Oh wait, I can see it here? Let me see it. Okay, there we go. It's only one. It's only one versus one. Or maybe there's another one. There's another person here. And Belle. I think I have the magic carpet. I'll just skip this. Everyone doesn't have to do the carpet. Okay. Get to the end, you said. I have to touch every checkpoint. No one's literally connecting the coins. Okay. Do I have? Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go. Give me the phone. Thank you. I will just get in there. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. I'm almost close to 1K. I don't know what to buy except this. I don't want to buy that or either this. I hate those items. I hate those items. This laser gun is the worst. Very worst. Come on. That is the worst. This one. Luckily I have the magic carpet. I don't hate this anymore. But I hate this. Yeah, my favorite thing is this, but this is my dream item now. This is my dream item and I got it. Thank you to the game who gave it to me. I'm just kidding, I got it by myself. The creator didn't really got this for me. I mean, gave this for me. I can say. Yeah, no. Oh no, now I'm dead. What if I just launch that guy out? Oh no, that person is dead. No, I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh my gosh, that person is just... Wait, I'm gonna try this out. Yay, I survived! Dun. Oh, sure. Sure, I love this. If I fall, I won't be able to fall. What? Are you seriously? Are you seriously? It's... Oh my gosh. I wanna... My favorite game is choose the color. Not this one. I hate this one. Okay, anyways, Bye guys.